Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CD cell phone mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a stable, versatile, or budget-friendly solution for hands-free driving, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5 is the VSS-MSA cell phone holder for car. This mount boasts a sleek design with polished surfaces that not only look great, but hold up under heat and vibration. It's equipped with sponge-padded arms and feet to prevent scratches and ensure your phone doesn't slip or wobble, even on rough terrain. With its one-button release mechanism, installation and operation are quick and hassle-free. Adjustments are easy thanks to the 360-degree rotatable ball head that keeps your phone conveniently positioned for navigation or calls. In terms of compatibility, the VSS-MSA mount supports phones between 4.0 and 6.8 inches, covering a wide range of devices like the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, it's worth noting that this product may not fit certain curved or unconventional CD slots. The build quality combines durable PC and ABS materials, giving it a sturdy feel while remaining lightweight. While the VSS-MSA is a solid option, it ranks lower on this list due to fewer standout features compared to competitors. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and solid design, but its compatibility limitations and slightly weaker sturdiness compared to military-grade models bring it to number 5. Ideal for casual drivers looking for a basic, functional mount. Coming in at number 4, we have the Apps 2 Car Sturdy CD Slot Phone Mount. This mount stands out with its screw-locked base, ensuring stability even on bumpy roads. Its flexible ball head joint allows for 360-degree adjustment, so you can easily switch between portrait and landscape modes without obstructing your view of the road. The one-hand operation design makes mounting and removing your phone effortless, which is perfect for busy drivers. The Apps 2 Car mount supports phones up to 0.8 inches thick, making it compatible with most popular devices, like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, it's not compatible with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold devices or vehicles with curved CD slots, which limits its versatility. The collapsible bottom and adjustable arms ensure a snug fit while protecting your phone from scratches. Overall, this mount is a great choice for drivers who prioritize stability and ease of use. Its screw-locked base is a standout feature, but its compatibility restrictions and slightly dated design place it at number 4. If you're looking for a reliable mount for long road trips, this one is worth considering. At number 3 is the Listen CD phone holder for car. This mount is designed with versatility in mind, featuring a dual accessory setup that allows you to use it with both CD slots and air vents. The adjustable arm and 360-degree rotating head ensure your phone stays in the perfect position without blocking your car's control panel or display buttons. It also incorporates a press lock mechanism for additional stability when adjusting arm height. One of the highlights of the Listen mount is its upgraded triangular support structure, which uses high-quality anti-slip silicone imported from Germany for enhanced stability. The hook clips are longer than standard options, making them compatible with deeper vents. While the mount fits nearly every device between 4 and 7 inches, it struggles with round vents, so keep that in mind if your car has unique vent designs. The Listen mount earns its spot at number 3 for its thoughtful design and build quality. It's perfect for drivers with diverse mounting preferences who value a secure hold and adjustable viewing angles. However, it's slightly bulkier than other mounts on this list, so it may not suit all users. At number 2, we have the Vixseed military-grade sturdy car phone holder mount. This mount is a top contender for those seeking unparalleled stability and durability. It features an upgraded metal CD clip and air vent clip with aerospace-grade PC materials, making it 300% more stable than earlier generation mounts. The high-density silicone cushions ensure your phone stays secure, even on the bumpiest roads. The Unused mount is compatible with nearly all phones and cases, thanks to its wide clamping arms and adjustable bottom tray. It comes with a one-touch release button for quick operation and a 360 degrees rotating ball joint for optimal viewing angles. The military-grade build quality and thoughtful design make this mount perfect for long drives and rough terrain. While the Unused mount is packed with premium features, it's slightly heavier and pricier compared to other models, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Still, its reliability and robust construction make it a fantastic choice for drivers who need a heavy-duty mount that won't let them down. And finally, at number 1 is the iOtti Easy One Touch Signature CD Slot Mount. This mount takes the crown with its patented Easy One Touch mechanism, allowing for effortless phone mounting and removal with just one hand. It features a universal cradle that fits smartphones and cases between 2.3 and 3.5 inches in width, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, and Google Pixels. The iOtti mount also includes a magnetic cord organizer to keep charging cables neat and tidy, plus adjustable viewing angles for optimal navigation and hands-free calls. The build quality is impressive, with durable materials that hold up well over time. It's lightweight yet sturdy, and its adjustable bottom foot allows for easy customization. Priced at $14.99, the iOtti mount offers exceptional value for its features and performance. With over 139,000 customer ratings and a 4.4-star average, it's clear this mount is a consumer favorite. Its combination of innovation, reliability, and affordability makes it the best choice for most drivers looking for a CD slot phone mount. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If it was, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.